Hello guys, welcome to another new series of tutorial on Angular. This is a tutorial on Angular material with Angular. Angular material is material design components for Angular, which means it provides lot of components or UI elements which we can use in our Angular applications. If you have created any web application or website, you might have observed that you need to write lot of CSS elements to design any form, button, date picker or any UI element. But Angular material comes with all those UI elements inbuilt and it will help you to create those UI elements very quickly without writing much code. And all these Angular material components are compatible and works well in your Angular applications. In this video series, you will learn how you can make use of most of these Angular material UI elements in your Angular application. The prerequisites for this video series is you need to have basic knowledge on Angular. If you have not worked on Angular, you can refer my one-off video series where I have clearly explained many real-time scenarios with examples. I have provided the link to that series as well in the description below. So without wasting much time, let's begin with the programming.